guys, welcome to the Gunk YouTube channel. Today we're going to prep the skin followed by a natural base created by me, Maddie. So right now I'm just cleansing the face with some micellar water, followed by some moisturiser, which is from the brand Obs. They're my favourite brand at the moment and a brand I'm working with for my work-based learning hours. This moisturiser is the best, so it's my fave moisturiser to use at the moment, especially when prepping the skin, as this moisturiser just sits in the skin and doesn't slide off, which is perfect. It's just what you need when you're trying to do a natural base. So next I'm just using a mixture of the Ordinary Silicone Primer with the Beyond Veil Gel by Illamasqua, just to create a base for our foundation. It also helps create the glow and enhance the natural glow of your model already. So the foundations I'm using are from The Ordinary as well. I really like using these foundations as they're lightweight and they're buildable and they just work so well, especially when you're doing a natural base. I'm just mixing the 1.5 shade and the 2.0 shade. I find the colours vary, so I really like mixing foundations when it comes to using foundations, So yeah, I'm just buffing in the product all over the face and making sure I'm building it as I go. I'm also using different brushes, I might add, because I don't want to use a brush that's got too much product on, as it will just not blend in at all. It'll just keep sitting on the face. So just a top tip, I like using 3 to 4 different brushes when using foundation. You don't have to, that's just my preference, but I like using different brushes just to make it easier for myself. That's a technique I've learned on the course so far. So for the brows, I am using the Morphe pomade in the shade Biscotti. So I'm following the natural shape using an angled brush, but first I make sure I brush through the eyebrows, keeping their shape, just so I don't overdo it, as this look is meant to be natural. I'm also just going to set these with the clear brow gel from Morphe too. Next, I'm just adding some colour to the cheeks using a liquid blush that I got from Makeup Revolution. A top tip, if you don't have liquid blush, you can use a lipstick in your kit. I'm also going to be using the Gold Mineral Skin Finish by MAC, and I'm just adding that to the cheekbones, enhancing my beautiful glow that I really created on my model. So for the eyes, I'm keeping it natural, and I'm just following my model's eye shape. So I'm going in with a matte dark brown shade on the outer corners with a small brush. I'm blending that in with a fluffy brush enough so it looks enhanced. And I'm just doing the same technique on the other eye. I finished the eyes with a shimmery shadow, or you can use highlighter if you want, and I'm patting that on the lid with an oval brush and blending it out slightly with another fluffy brush. And then I finished the look with some gloss from MAC. So yeah, all done, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!